Skillet cookie for two. So
skillet cookie for two.
Right? So I've made skillet cookies on the show before, and whenever I make these, people always ask if you have to use this exact pan. You can use any pan you have. You can use a stainless steel pan, a non-stick pan. You just want to make sure it's oven safe.
Right.
I'm just going to stir this a little bit so it cools down a tiny bit.
All right, so you melt the sugar into the butter.
And then we're going to add in our egg yolk. And the reason I love the skillet cookie dessert for Valentine's Day is because it's very easily customizable. So you can make this into any flavor that you or your Valentine like.
I see.
So I'm going to make a chocolate chip because that's my favorite. But you can use anything. All right.
So you just used a little bit of flour, a little bit of baking, what was that, baking powder, baking soda?
Baking soda, a little bit of salt.
A little bit of salt.
And then both of our sugars, we had brown and white sugar.
Brown and white sugar,
because we need a little sweetness, but it also gives it, the brown sugar gives it that nice texture. Now this one you kind of have to like work a little bit. It's a little messy. So if you don't like a mess, just look away. Okay, we're almost there. So I like to put in half the chocolate chips now. And the dough's kind of hot, so they kind of melt down. You can kind of see that, right?
Oh, that's nice.
Melting down a little bit. And then I sprinkle the rest of them on top. And then we take this dessert right into the oven.
I got the mopping. I'll do backup. You got it?
Oh, I got it. All right, here we go. I'll land it right there.
Oh!
There's our hot cookie.
Bam!
And then I like to sprinkle a little salt on top.
Oh my God!
Doesn't that look yummy?
Well, that is glorious.